Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to delve into the world of Shopify and show you guys my secret. So if you didn't know, I am the owner of Oso Curly and founder, which is a hair tools and accessories brand, and I am hosting my store on Shopify, which I have been for the past 2 years. And at the moment, I am doing a whole rebrand. So I'm going to be changing the logo, introducing new products, and most importantly changing the website just to give it a higher conversion rate and to make it look a bit more professional. To do that, I am actually going to be using a theme on Shopify called Debutify. This is a theme that's completely free and available for you guys to download at any time, and it has some amazing add-ons. So on Shopify, as you know, there are a ton of apps that can really help you make your store convert higher and gain you more sales, but it can be a lot of hard work trying to find the right apps and kind of know what to add on and what to do. Whereas with Debutify, everything is set up for you, so you can just choose the ones that you want to keep on the site or the ones that you don't want to keep. So I'm going to just show you my computer as I am currently trying to set up my new website using the theme Debutify. I will leave the link for it down below, and if you are interested in web design and starting your business store, definitely keep watching, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Hey guys, so as you can see, I am in my site via the Debutify theme on Shopify, and I just wanted to show you guys. So I can't tell you too much, but I am, as I said, rebranding the website. So this is what I've managed to do so far, but I really just wanted to show you how amazing the apps that are already built into the theme are. So this is without me adding anything to my theme. As you can see, I've already got the sales countdown, product bullet points, color swatches, cart upsell, quantity breaks, upsell, and I've already, as you can see here, managed to edit some of the homepage with a slideshow, just add in a brand header that I had. Of course, you can change the text that's on the slideshow. We click into here, so it could just say curly hair tools and accessories, shop a selection of satin hair essentials. Obviously, again, you can change the text, change the color. What I like is it already has things that are so needed on your Shopify store. So for example, if I scroll down, the menu is still there, which within themes on Shopify is something that you would have to either download the app for, or find a theme that already does that, or yourself enable it. So it can be, you know, a bit annoying that you have to figure out all of the things that are going to make a highly converting store. Again, here you've got the recently viewed, which is really good. I see that on a lot of websites that I usually shop on. We can also see a subscribe to newsletter down here. You can add in sections here for the guarantee. You can change this, so you could say, for example, vegan friendly and satin material used, something like that, and you could change the icon to what you want. We can also on the home page add other features. So if I wanted to add in a product collection, I could do collection list or a featured collection. So I'm going to go ahead and add that there, and I'm going to add a satin sleep accessories, and I select the right collection, which would be satin accessories, select, and then there you go. You can always change this as well. So at the moment I have not enabled my Judge Me review widget at the moment, so that would have to be changed. But also you can see here if it's sold out, it will tell you, which I really like as well. It also has these pop-ups. So for example here, get 20% off. If you subscribe, of course, again, you'd have to change the text of what it says and the colors. Like I mentioned, I'm not going to show you too much yet, but I just wanted to show you the basics of the theme. So I love how here it already has 34 visitors are browsing our store right now. Buy now to receive within 7 to 14 days. Guys, that is so important, and something that I don't have on my store currently. That's going to really help customers buy from you, because they're going to see, oh, okay, I know when it's going to arrive, and oh, okay, there's a lot of people on the website already. Also, if they share, they can get a discount. Again, you could change this too. And then also here we've got all the different types of payments that they can pay by. We've also got examples of who already has shopped, which helps to increase the trust of your site. It's kept my discount app that I had on my site already, which is good, and the frequently bought together, which is good. And it also has a recommended for you section, which is great. If you have a site with a lot of different products, this will work even better for you. You can then add in your Instagram. So for other pages, let's see here what this looks like. You can of course change the font how you would have wanted it to be, and the layout of pages. But this is pretty much the basis of this. I love that you've got your login at the top here. You can save favorites, you can search, you can change the currency, which is so important, especially if you have visitors from all over the world. You want to make sure that they feel comfortable on your site and that they can, you know, shop with you and know what the price is up front, instead of just thinking, oh, this site is in Great British pounds, it's not for me, I don't know how much it's going to cost in my currency. So that's the basis of Debutify. If you are looking for a Shopify theme for your new store, I 100% recommend it. I wish I knew about Debutify in the beginning when starting my Shopify store, but clearly I didn't. But it's cool because I'm learning it right now, and I will definitely make sure to update you once my whole website has finished. I'm really excited to see how different my sales will be once I'm using the Debutify theme, which I'm sure they're going to increase even more. So thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, the link for Debutify is in my description box. Please subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next video.